Welcome back, gardeners! Today, we're highlighting shorter carrot varieties like Paris Market, Thumbelina, and Danvers half-long. These types of carrots are perfect for shallow beds or container gardening, requiring less soil depth and making them ideal for small spaces. Shorter carrot varieties such as Paris Market and Thumbelina need only about 6 to 8 inches of soil to grow, unlike traditional varieties that require deeper beds. This makes them perfect for gardeners with limited space or those using raised beds and containers. These compact varieties thrive in shallow beds or containers. Whether you're working with a small garden or patio, short-rooted carrots are a great choice. They're also easier to manage in terms of soil preparation, as you don't need to dig as deep to create the right growing conditions. With shorter carrots, you can grow a productive crop in spaces as small as a balcony or a small raised bed. Varieties like Danvers half-long and Thumbelina still offer sweet, crunchy flavor without needing the deep soil traditional carrots require. With their shallow soil needs and compact size, shorter carrot varieties are a fantastic option for small space gardeners. Stay tuned for more tips on growing carrots, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy planting!